A day after Prime Minister Modi made his biggest outreach yet to farmers amid raging protests over the contentious law, agitating farmer unions will be holding a key huddle. Essentially, this is to give a point-by-point response to the Prime Minister's speech, and they'll be coming together at 2 p.m. today. The Kisan Samyukta Morcha, that has nearly 40 unions across the country, will also decide on the letter sent by the Agriculture Ministry to protesting farmers, allaying their apprehensions and seeking dialogue. The Prime Minister also in his outreach to farmers had urged protesters to come for talks, expressed his government's willingness also to make amendments to the laws based on facts. The farmers, however, have maintained that they're not being misled by anyone and that they believe the farm laws will benefit corporates and not farmers. 1 month now, today is the 31st day that these farmers are protesting at Delhi's borders at the Singhu, Ghazipur and Tikri border.
It's been almost a month. Agitating farmers at Ghazipur border are joining from neighboring states like Uttarakhand, Shravasti and other districts, and you can see straight from the visuals how the farmers are increasing here with progressing days, and they are saying they will restrict their demand up to 26th of January, and there is a meeting scheduled at Singhu border at 2 p.m. and after this meeting they will decide and they will adopt a new strategy that how they will tackle this agitation. And as you know, the government, especially the central government, is also favoring these agri-laws by saying that these agri-laws are in welfare of the farmers, but agitating farmers are saying that these laws should be revealed with immediate effect. With camera person Ravikant Totawar in Delhi, this is Ram Kinkar Singh for India Today.
Milind Sharma is also joining us live with the latest updates. So Milind, 31 days now farmers have been protesting. You've been tracking it from day one. Do you see the numbers swelling up now, or these farmer protests dying down? Because there's been a certain narrative that some unions have decided to call off the protest.
Well, that doesn't seem to apply to the Singhu border, because it's been a month since the farmers came all the way from Haryana and Punjab to the Singhu border, and every passing day you see a new arrangement that is made here. When we started covering this protest on day one, when the farmers were tear gas shelled and lathi charged over here because they tried to cross the border, since then more and more tents have been put up in the entire area, and more tractors and trolleys have come here. Well, today seems to be a very important day, another day when the Bharatiya Kisan Union Samyukta Morcha will do a meeting which will include union leaders from 40 different unions of farmers. They have been talking with the government, but this happens to be crucial because after the Prime Minister's speech yesterday on the farm laws, they would be devising a strategy on how to go about it now from here on, because the Prime Minister has urged that talks must go on, but he has said the demands need to be legitimate and understood well in advance. So therefore, no unreasonable demands need to be made. And that is the major point of contention for the farmers. They have been asking for a rollback. The government has made it very clear that they do not want to roll back the 3 farm bills. So in this case, at Singhu border especially, it's not just a farmers' movement anymore. It's become a people's movement, because people from all across, not just Punjab and Haryana, but across the country have been coming here and camping here day in day and night. We have seen people camping in tents in chilly winter nights with temperature dropping to a minimum. So even now, you will not just see men, women, children who have joined the protest here at Singhu border. And certainly after the meeting is convened, there will be a press conference that will be held by the Kisan unions to announce what they have strategized. This will include the Singhu border, Tikri border, as well as Ghaziabad border protesting farmers who have been sitting at various points across the national capital. And who will blink first is the question that needs to be asked now. Back to you.
Okay, Milind, thank you for getting us all those details. We'll be tracking the latest of the farmers' protest. The unions expected to address the media at 2 p.m.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.